Hello everybody, excuse me messing around there and going to various screens. What I thought we might do for the next set of little videos is show you how to make your site a little bit more attractive by putting in some added value elements with a visual support to them so that your site starts to look a little less like a list of links and a very formal classroom setting, and more like a kind of living room or lounge where people can come and do various different types of things. So what we're going to do is show you how to insert a video from YouTube directly into your Moodle stroke LMS page. Now I just quite randomly typed into the YouTube search engine English language lesson present perfect, and this has arrived in front of me. I haven't watched it or quality controlled it in any way. I'm just going to show you how to put this video into a LMS page where you could direct students to it and do classroom activities with it. Now we do this by simply going to the share button here at the bottom. For any YouTube video you will see this. And you'll see a series of options here, including an embed option, which is the one I use. So I'm going to click it. You see all this code, and all you have to do is copy it. So I click copy. Job done. Now I head off to my own page. I'm in the ELT Student Club page, and I'm simply going to put the video in. Now to do that, I'm going to choose a block and hit my edit button like this. Here we go. Edit topic. And when I'm editing a topic, I always get the text screen in front of me, as you'll remember. Now, next steps are simply this. Show the advanced buttons by clicking the arrow on your left here. Move along the second row. I've shown you this before, but I don't know if you remember, to where it says HTML. Click it. Now we're in the HTML. Paste the code. Right, and here it is. Now you don't need to understand any of this really, but I will point out one thing to you, which is the dimensions, the size of the video as it appears on your screen. Now you can change these numbers and make your video larger or smaller if you think you get a more attractive look to your page by doing that. Do remember, if you play with these numbers, to keep the proportions. Right, so if you were to change this to 280 to make it smaller by halving it, you would halve this number as well, which would be what, 157. Right, we won't bother by doing that, we'll just save the changes and wait and see what happens. And there you go, there is our present perfect practice on our LMS page, and now we can direct students to it, produce tasks, and whatever we want really. You will of course have to watch the videos in order to make use of this, to make sure you put something in that's enjoyable and useful, because the quality can vary a little bit. But already once you put a few of these things in, this site starts to look a lot more welcoming because it's a lot more visual. So that's what we'll be doing this week, and I will see you soon.